What up, guys? Welcome to Midweek Motivation by yours truly, myself, aka Miles in the Box. So today we got a quick one for you. We got a one pick, one drop, picking up in Davenport, Iowa at a Sam's Club and dropping it off in Burlington, Iowa. It's gonna be a nice short ride, about 80 miles, 90 miles drive. But I do have a 50-mile deadhead to go pick it up and then go drop it off. Something I did today that I never advise anybody to do is I'm driving my truck while it's cold. Not that cold, but it's cold. Only running for 15 minutes, which is not good. It's just that it wasn't warming up enough, hence why I got the gloves. Because it's still cold, and also I don't know if you can see my breath, but anyways, yeah, we are getting to temperature. We are close at 150, so we should be good. It's just that I needed to need to go and pick it up and drop it off, and make sure that I have enough time to find something for Monday. Today's Friday. You guys will be watching this probably on Wednesday, if I do get it edited by Wednesday, if not Thursday. But yeah, so we're gonna dash and go grab this. They're waters. There are 3 pallets of waters from Sam's Club. So we're gonna go grab those. Make sure that one thing that I was told is to make sure they're not damaged or anything like that. It will be pretty easy to tell, but we'll have to take photos, send it to the broker, and after that we should be good to go. So let's giddy up, let's head out, and let's make some money. Alright, we are about 3 minutes away, 0.05 miles out to our pickup location. Pretty smooth drive, no issues as always. Felt a little bit windy at some time, and I do see that there is some wind, so I'm guessing that's why. And it says that we are almost here actually, so let's get to this Sam's Club and figure out who to talk to, where to go, and we go from there. So I need to go to club pickup, but then I need to go to the dock. So the question is, do I walk to the club pickup? I think that's the best alternative. Go to the dock and then walk to the club pickup, and then talk to those guys and then see what the dealio is. I'm just gonna pull up to dock 6. Yes, what I'm gonna do. And then we're gonna go to the club pickup, find out where we're supposed to be at, and then go from there. out of here. He's also out of here. So, oh man, it is cold. It is so cold. Colder than yesterday, actually. Woo. It's chilly. Oh man, it's cold. All right. Let's get this lift gate up and then hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back. No more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more. What do you say? Hey, hey. All right, let's get out of here. Go deliver this little heavy light load. And then go from there. As the weather outside is frosty. Why am I singing? You don't need to hear my singing, do you? You just want me to keep moving. So let's go. Let's head out. We've arrived, and guess where? The good old Amazon. Can never go wrong with Amazon, not can you? So let's go inside and deliver this water. It is about time that I came back home, where it all began. Amazon Prime. Okay, honestly, it did not begin at Amazon. It began OTR, but you know, I've done a lot of Amazon, so kind of know what they want and two. So let's go inside and find out where they want us. Alright, so we are docking at Dock Door 101. So let's do this. Let's see if I can do it free-handed. One-handed, I mean, not free-handed. We haven't reached that situation yet because of automation in the big semis. If we had automation in the big semis, it would be a different story. I think I'm going to Dock Door 101. Maybe. Yeah, I think that's it. I see the white lines. They're nice and clear. Alright, cool. I don't want to hit that trailer. Alright. We are golden. All now we have to do is drop it in. Uh-oh. I think I need to go a little bit this way and a little bit that way, just to be centered like that. I think I'm happy with that. I need to stop there. Go drop my gate. Ugh. The good old Amazon gate drop. I got some ice going on here. Alright, that's good. And then let's back in. I don't want to hit there. Okay, I gotta go confirm. Sometimes those pillars are usually high. Yeah, I figured. Let's, whoa. Yeah, I'm a bit too close. I gotta move forward a little bit and we should be Gucci. Let's do that. Just a little bit forward. Uh-oh, that's backwards. Forward. Forward, buddy. That should be Gucci. Alright, let's go get unloaded. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are officially offloaded. But the funny thing is, we got another pickup to go to. So, let's go do that. And this one is probably gonna be dropping off on Monday. Whew, I'm tired. Alright, let's go do that. Alright, as I mentioned, let's put you like that. As I mentioned, we have another pickup. This one can drop off today or tomorrow. I'll see if I can be able to drop it off today. I'll call the receiver and see if they'll wait for me. If not, then I'll drop it off on Monday. But this one, the one that we are picking up, is going north towards Cedar Rapids, and so the previous one was a TQL load for Amazon. That one was paying $400. This one that I'm picking up is paying $500. It's going, I believe, I really don't want to do the calculations right now, but I think it's going 80 miles. I'll let you know once we get to the shipper, because we need to get to the shipper so we can actually get loaded. So yeah, so we are gonna haul our behinds off. Oh man, I'm gonna be there by 3. I'm supposed to be at the shipper by latest before 4, so I gotta call the sorry, not the shipper, the receiver before 4. Oh man, it's gonna be a close one. Anyways, let's hustle. It is a day to hustle, so let's hustle. And sometimes, I don't know, like of late I've been seeing a lot of local work, especially on Fridays. Usually in my area it's like you get one local walk and that's it, but of late it's there's been a few local walks, especially again, as I said, on Fridays. So let's capitalize on that. If we were able to pick up today and drop off today, that'd be a nice $900 for a local walk. And of course I'll give you the total calculations at the end of the video, like the total miles driven and total amount. We weren't supposed to go this way, shoot. Anyways, let's just go since we're on this road. But yeah, let's head this way and see what happens. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. So, good rule of thumb, which I didn't do, so I'm learning as well. Check the address via Google as well, because apparently this guy's moved and I didn't know that. And so when I was trying to look for an address location, it was tough not finding anything. So that was a challenge. So what I'm gonna try to do is, I think I'm gonna back into 10 and then up 10, I think, over there, and then we'll go inside and find out where we're supposed to be at. But the address that they shared with me was throwing me off, was taking me somewhere completely different, and I was struggling trying to find this place. And we were gonna try to see if we could be delivered today. I mean, not delivered, but picked up today. But seems like that's not gonna happen. So let's go inside here. Let's back in here and then go inside and talk to them people and see where they want me. All right. So we got here. It's a good load, but I don't think I can be able to haul it. It's too heavy. It's three pallets of tiles, and tiles are very, very heavy. So we tried to lift it with a pallet jack just to see how it's gonna work, and you can't even move it with a pallet jack. So I think that's just gonna be too heavy to haul. Anyways, we're checking with the broker. We're checking with the receiver if they have forklift extensions or something, and try to make that work. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, so we decided to cancel that load. It just wasn't fitting right. So yeah, sometimes it's okay to do that. So I've just canceled it. Talked to the broker, came to an understanding. They'll send a flatbed, which will be easier to load and offload, and I think that will be the best solution for that. Yeah, headed home. So first of all, I'm gonna fuel up, and then head home, and yeah, call it a day. So total, we pretty much made $400 today. It's not bad. I'm happy about it. It's a total miles of 129 miles. That's including deadhead. So actually no, including this will be like 150 miles total. So I'm still in the green either way, and I'm happy about it. So yeah, we're gonna go home, call it a day, and then pick up back on Monday. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and to keep trucking pretty much. Alright, let's get some fuel here at Pilot and then call it a day. Alright, see you guys.